Are they singing in French?
I think so. That's why no one's singing.
Yeah, that's Russian.
I don't even know French anymore.
I forgot my French.
I wanted to take a picture of the monkey. I know I can't either. Did something just fall? Woo!
Pollution!
Don't be so dark.
I can't take any of
How long do you think this is going to take?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
You can feel it. 10 minutes? 5 minutes?
I guess.
Oh,
Wow. We came just right at time.
yeah, we did. Wow, that's a nice one. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, seriously?
Hugo, can you put my strap on my hand? Oh. Never mind. Woo!
Why is feedback on? I can't.
Feedback's on?
Yeah, it's. Someone's car alarm
Oh man, ruined the fun.
got set off. I wonder if Sheila can see this from where she is.
She probably can. It's not that far. She doesn't live that
But it's not gonna be in the way. Hey, you're doing it from the parking lot of the brick, aren't they?
That's
Oh
hilarious.
yeah, that's pro.
Hey, don't be mean. They're hurt. They worked hard for this.
Aww.
See, those were only for you guys.
Yes, I'm sure. I'm sure you gave them a call.
Ooh, I like green.
Green and purple. Whoa.
Whoa, that's really low. Isn't that dangerous?
I choked on anchovies.
You choked?
On anchovies.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
Yep. Oh, that's pretty.
That's nice.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa. Yeah.
Go Canada.
Yeah.
It's so good. That's the only good part. What are you talking about?
Everything else. People are
recording in my phone. I'm already recording it in here. It's gonna be bad in my phone. Whoa. Whoa.
Are you uploading on Facebook?
Probably.
Wow.
Oh. Oh, that's nice.
That's amazing.
Are you being sarcastic?
No, that's amazing. It's still there. It's like still sparkling.
That'd be funny if it fell on us. No.
No, that wouldn't.
Wow. I like how the song's still playing, but no one cares about the song.
Yeah, no one's paying attention.
Ooh,
We got the best for this.
I know.
No trees or anything.
Uh-huh. Whoa! What is that?
That's not what's it gonna do? Oh, sparkly.
Everyone's killing themselves for this.
That'd be awesome if you were in that Central City office.
I know, that would be awesome if you were in the Central City.
I'd be scared if I was in Central City.
Here comes the fireworks.
Yeah, like hurtling towards you.
Oh, that's pretty.
And you can't see the full.
I know. I wonder what their finale is gonna be, or will they have one?
The face of the guy.
The face of the guy? Ew.
Yeah.
That's
That'd be
awkward.
hilarious.
Ooh. I like the twinkling ones.
Yeah. Yeah. I like tiny things.
There goes the pollution.
Yep. Yeah, look at how smoky it is.
That's for
It's
me. That's mine.
Oh.
That's mine.
Oh, look, it's still
Oh, it's still there
sparkling.
too. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Is that it?
I'll try to get home.
What do you think about it?
That was cool. All the pollution's going to Sheila's house.
Ah.
Good stuff.
That's the best place here, right? You get
Yeah.
fresh air.
Ah.
It's amazing, and you're not stuck with the clouds and the trees.
Wow.